Hello, everybody. We are in Treasury Automation Workgroup. It's on 6th May. And as usually, every time we meet, we kind of give ourselves an update of what happened the last time we met related to Treasury. So from my side, there has been a slight more uptick on activities, but now since uh, yeah, I moved into like adding this new stuff in has almost been about GitHub API integration. At the beginning, it was more about learning and understanding how to make the connection, and then we have see like a bit of more uh, attempts to integrate, but it's such like timed into different days, and because yeah, there were like a lot of back and forth we had with Andre. And after I got like the first initial integrations ready and started able to kind of get in the treasury activities or tasks, then I kind of put that integration aside and started working on other APIs we have established or you have established. Um, so still some of them are ongoing, and I do have a few more updates that is not visible here regarding Wallets API and also tried this task label stuff. However, right now I pivoted using like the creating my own in the Treasury Manager like way to manage labels, and I'm not sure do we even want to put it on the server side as of right now because we don't. Maybe first we want to get the like data in, and all of this is feels like already in like a next development stage, and that's yeah, and we can later discuss that. How do we budget that and what do we plan for the next proposal? So maybe we instead of like trying to shoehorn the solution or the misunderstanding we had about like task labels, we we might as well yeah just postpone it because it doesn't have any impact even if you integrate it until I don't know maybe end of next quarter when we actually have like these insert recognition APIs like in use. Right now we are
Yes.
the testing results that are right now happening is just showing that we are able to make connections between us and we are able to update each other databases. But we have like no plan right now from how do we kind of skip the bundling stage or like how are we going to pull that information from the bundle sheet to manage and like all of this like actually using it is like a second order planning. Um, yeah. So yeah, and then I don't know, Andre, you wanna share a bit of what you've done in your
Uh,
words?
yeah, I didn't do too much. I added a new table. Peter wanted to see some other numbers, so I just added that table to the dashboard. And there was that one bug in the dApp that I fixed. But for the automations, it was mostly just documentation. There was that recognition API that I kept. I missed a couple of things that gave you trouble. So I hope it's fixed now. I think it will be fixed now.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, I think I implemented the GitHub. However, right now I plan myself so then this week on Thursday when I do the treasury operation, I'm gonna finish the assigning GitHub names to the actual contacts. Because right now,
oh
yeah, the
yes,
API is now working. I got all the data information in, and I also made the
yeah,
like a error checker or kind of thing in the middle, or
yeah,
like a new flow of what kind of warnings it gives when people's contacts are not fully intact based on what the information is provided.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So I can
So
guarantee that your
hopefully,
side is correct.
yeah.
Just
Oh, okay, nice, nice. It's just that recognition. I know that recognition one gave trouble, but I hope
yeah.
it will be fine now. And yeah, I think it's like you say, we just need to. We've made the connections, and now just need to get it working or start using it.
Yep. Okay, so that's what it from the Treasury updates. And if you want to be more involved in discussions or learn more what we discussed today, then check in the link description for the meeting summary.